Hi everyone, this is Adedayo, and today we'll be talking on how to detune a sound on the Korg PA5X. I'll show you the steps I use to detune sounds on the Korg PA5X, and if you follow these steps, you will be able to achieve that as well. Alright, let's go. First thing I want to do first is to select a sound, and for this one I'll be using the guitar sound. And how do I do that? I click on the screen where you have your keys, and then I go to the category option and select the guitar sound. I'm going to use a nylon guitar for this one. Turn up the lower and turn up the splits, and I have something like this. All right, so let us detune. Now, what I want us to do first is to go to, on the main menu, you will see options, main keys, control, mixer, scale, tuning. What you want to click on is the scale tuning. Now let's click on this. When we click on the scale tuning, we'll see two options. First, we'll see scale, and then we'll see the quarter tone. Let's click on the quarter tone. As you can see, you see all the keys are on 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. If I click on any of it, it takes it to -50. So let's click back to 0. If we take it to -50, so -50 detunes it. So now let's detune C, E flat, and let's say G. So right now we have. So without detuning, we have. Let's detune it. All right, that's how to easily detune your sound. This is applicable for any sound you pick of your choice. You can detune it and also save it. And if you want to save it, just click on the drop down and save my setting. So you can save the keyboard set or save my setting. Either way is fine. All right, have a good one. Practice. And let me know what you would like me to work on again. I'll be happy to share with you. Take care.